Another day I say I am not going to trade, I am going to wait, and a few minutes later, boom. Check out what happened. Hello everyone, Ra Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group. Today is Monday, VanLife Day Traders video. What else? Yeah, I hope you all had an awesome weekend. It was a great weekend, but it's Monday and I am happy. Mondays make me happy because we start trading all over again. Let me know in the comments what you think that I did. Did I messed up? Am I a genius? Or I'm just a lucky guy walking around. So check out the video. I explain everything after the trade, so wait until the end and let me know in the comments what you think. Alrighty, 6:46, and as we mentioned, market moving above a big target zone. It's just been going up and up and up. Market reached a resistance to level, kind of losing steam here. And what happens after market hits a big target zone? Yep, let me know in the comments what you think is gonna happen. What am I looking for? Yep, I'm gonna be looking for a sell setup. But market is moving to the upside. Well, market ain't gonna move to the upside forever. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Market goes up, it retraces, it goes up, it retraces, it goes up until it hits a ceiling, and that ceiling is called resistance target. That's exactly where we are right now. And after market hitting resistance targets like here, we are gonna have a move to the downside, maybe even a retracement and a continuation to the downside. That's how market behaves. If you don't know how market behaves, you have a lot of studying to do. Okay, so I'm gonna go now to my 5-minute chart, and I am just going to wait. I don't have any support, resistance, or target zones. All we have here is a minor entry level. I would love to see the market going under that minor entry level and then look for resistance, support zones, wait for a move towards that resistance zone, and then ka-ching. That is my trading plan right now for today, until market does something else, and or unless market does something else, yeah, market could keep on pushing to the upside. Then your analysis is wrong. Remember, market has very specific behaviors. This is what I am looking for, not exactly that's what's gonna, I'm not saying that's what's gonna happen. We have step number 1 of the legacy futures trading strategy. We're still missing step number 2 and step number 3, and then of course following price action. Remember, this strategy only works if all of these steps fall into place. We are right now right here, so it'll be maybe it'll be an hour before we see a setup. Maybe before market opening we'll see a setup. We don't know yet when that is gonna happen. For now, there's nothing to see here. It's just I'm doing other stuff, watching videos, studying, and from time to time I look at the market, but right now, nope, nothing to see here. So we'll be back. Alrighty, so I got bored. Wait a minute. Let me finish this. Let me close this trade and we will. Okay. Come on. Let me close this. Ah, come on. I can't wait. I don't care. We have 15 something points there. Come on. Give me one more. Pop, 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 pop. Hit me. Hit me. One more tick. One more tick. I can't hold this. I don't care. We have all day. Well, let me wait until trading goal, trading plan. Okay.
Target filled.
Alrighty. Trade closed. Right, but you said like an hour or something you were gonna wait. Yeah, I always do that. Not that I always do that, but let me do this. And I'll go over the trade, why I did what I did. Okay, and you know the drill. We have here and NASDAQ sell setup. Up. We have entry. We have two contracts at 24,886.50. But we have target. We have two at 24,875, which equals 11 and a half. Yeah, easy math. Love it. Sharp. 11 and a half points. Okay, but we have total trade. We have 23 points, which equals 460 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boom. Really awesome trade. Okay, let's go and see why and what happened here. Okay, I mentioned earlier, step number 1 of the legacy futures trading strategy, market hitting a big target zone. Target zone is below this low right here, and it just kept pushing to the upside. When market hits a big target resistance zone, okay, that's a danger zone. Market more than probably is going to turn around or at least make a retracement. Okay, we have a resistance level right here. Market losing strength. Okay, but it dropped really quickly. We have here a minor entry level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times market reacting at that level. So I thought this was my exact, because sometimes students and people want to understand what is he thinking, what's going on through that mind. Well, it's a combination of many things. It's not just a strategy. Okay, it's a combination of things. Step number 1, okay, looking for a potential either market reversal or retracement. That's how I like to trade the market. That is one of the foundations of my legacy futures trading strategy. Okay, and we saw here market tried pushing to the upside. It took the high and then it lost power or momentum. We have here another try, okay, to push, but it was really weak pushing. Okay, we also have a trade setup right there in minor time frames, but I'm not gonna show that because I really wasn't looking at that. Whoa, I erased that. I am sorry. We have step number 1 of the legacy futures trading strategy. Okay, check. And we have step number 2, identifying entry exit levels. We have a minor entry level right there, so check. Pop. Step number 3, identifying support resistance zones that we don't have yet. Okay, we don't have any support resistance target zones. Does it means that I am not going to take a trade? Not necessarily. And to do this type of trades, you need to understand, not that you should, you need to understand price action. Okay, my legacy futures trading strategy, it's a 4-step. It has a lot of other things in between the steps, but the foundation, okay, like a wall has 4, like a house has 4 walls. Well, wall number 1, wall number 2, wall number 3, wall number 4. Can you build a house with 3 walls? Yeah, you can. You could. So, but that's my decision. My decision to override this step and go with price action is because price action is the most important thing when you have to understand the market. It's easy to identify support resistance target zone. It's easy to identify entry exit levels. Well, you have to practice that, but and it's easy to identify minor support resistance target levels. What it's going to make you a successful trader is understanding price action, and that is something you don't learn reading a book, watching YouTube videos like this one. Well, maybe this one helps a little bit. And or paying a $99 course, a trading course. Okay, so market losing steam here. I understood that it was highly probable, and or I knew that market was at least going to retest that minor entry level. I mentioned it at the beginning of the trade, and that's exactly what happened. Exactly what happened. Was I 100% sure? Never, never, ever we are going to be in anything that we do 100% sure. Okay, probability, unless we're talking about death. So yeah, awesome trade. Ra, why didn't you hold the trade? I could have said, and here's the thing, guys, I could have said, well, I knew market was gonna take this low, so I made 40 points instead of 20. Yeah, that could have happened. But what do I have that I follow almost religiously? A trading plan and a trading goal. I was tempted to wait for this, take 13 points, $520, and I'm like, you know what, if I'm okay with 15 to 20 points, $300 to $400, it's Monday 7 in the morning. Hello, yeah, let's grab that. Now I can do whatever I want to do with my day. I don't have anything planned, so I'll probably stay here studying and other stuff. So yeah, and we more than probably will have other trade setup throughout the day. I am traveling in the next few days, so that's gonna be I'm excited about that. I'll show you some pictures. So yeah, that's it. follow the strategy, follow trading plan, and be happy on a Monday morning. I hope you all had an awesome weekend. I hope we all have an awesome trading week. And you want to learn my trading strategy, you want to join our trading group, questions, comments, complaints, jokes, you know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group. You have a great one. Catching.